Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, depending on what time you're watching this, what part of the world you're in. This is Chris again, the Watch Sounds coming with another review. Today's review is of that Seiko 5. This is the SRPD77, I believe. It's dubbed the Avacado because of the green avocado dial. Quick wristwatch check. I am indeed wearing the G-Shock. Put this on for the video because I was wearing the other watch that I am unboxing for you guys at the end of this video. Been wearing that one for a minute. Now this video, I guess is brought to you by LongIslandWatch.com because I bought the Seiko over from Marc at Long Island. I reached out to him and asked him if he would lend in an Islander for a review. Now this is a pretty cool Islander. You guys have seen both the Seiko before and the Islander as well. This Seiko's been around for about a year, so this is dubbed as the Seiko 5KX. It's the SKX replacement, as you guys have seen, which I don't really think it's a replacement for the SKX, but I see what Seiko's trying to do. They're trying to get more of a younger kind of crowd in. There are many various iterations of these watches out, and you can find a colorway or a iteration that suits your taste, suits your budget. This one came in about $268 on Long Island Watch. You can probably find them elsewhere as well, but I've always had nothing but great service from Marc over at Long Island. But again, we'll go to the watch on the tabletop in question, and we will go over the review. And here is the said watch in question. Again, you can see why they dubbed it the Avocado due to the green texture on the dial. Now, in my last video, I mistakenly called this bezel black, but it is definitely a touch of green. It's almost like an olive kind of army green. You can see on the dial the really cool kind of texturized dial there. You got the Seiko 5 logo there. You have the automatic there. This is a 4R36 movement, so it is definitely an upgraded movement from the old SKX. Now, when I first saw these come out, I was one of the kind of naysayers on it because I thought, because of the price and everything. But now handling it, the quality and everything, and with only 100 meters water resistance, there's plenty of water resistance for what you and I would usually use it for, what the regular average Joe would use it for. Shout out to Joe. But again, for if we want to go swimming, go to the beach, whatever, this is plenty of water resistance for that. Now, it does not have a screw down crown though. That's one thing that it is lacking. It does not have a sapphire crystal. It is indeed, I believe, hard legs. And again, with that 4R36 movement, it is hacking and hem winding. It does come with a 22mm nader strap, and it is about 13mm thick, guys. The bezel action on here is actually pretty good. You can see 120 click unidirectional bezel. And this one actually seems to line up fairly well as opposed to most Seikos that don't, a lot of people say don't really have a really good alignment. And of course, you do know I like that touch of that orange second hand kind of pops with the green dial there. You see the date window at 3 o'clock. And again, these are about $266 this day and time in 2022 on LongIslandWatch.com. You may be able to find them on sale a little bit cheaper. Again, I mentioned in the unboxing of this, the strap is kind of meh. I'll probably end up changing out the strap. It does have some pretty cool PVD hardware on it as well. But again, I'll probably end up changing the strap out to like a Blue Shark, something a little more comfortable. This is fairly comfortable, but it's just, again, nothing to write home about. And I will show you what it looks like on my 7.5 inch wrist, guys, just for size preference. This is about a 42.5mm dial, so if you are a smaller wristed guy, you might not be able to wear it, but you can still pull it off. I don't feel like it wears too big overall. Again, my experience with this in the couple weeks that I've owned it so far has been really pleasant, and I may end up getting another one at some point. As I said, they do have all kind of different iterations, guys. And here is what it looks like on my 7.5 inch wrist, just for size preference, guys. And I will show you after the unboxing. I will get a loom shot here, guys, with my light, show you what it looks like. And on to the unboxing of the Islander. And again, Marc over at Long Island Watch was kind enough to lend this in as a demo. Now, I may end up buying this watch. A lot of you guys have seen this as well. It's been out for a minute. I do believe these retail for right around $300, guys. And here is the pouch it came with. I will have this for a minute. And again, I've been wearing this a decent amount. I do like the dial. This is the standard dial Islander dress watch with the Miyota movement, guys, the automatic movement. I do like that salmon dial. Again, it really does pop if you want something a little bit different and you can pull off like a dressy watch, which now with work, I can kind of pull off a dressy watch a little bit more than my old job, guys. But again, this has been a review of the Seiko 5KX, this is dubbed the Avocado watch, and an unboxing of the Islander watch, guys. Let me know what you think down in the comments. And if you haven't already, please like, subscribe, comment down below, share, do all that YouTube stuff, and I will see you guys in the next one. Peace. And in case you guys have stuck around to the end here, as promised, here is the Lume Shot, the glow, a little handy flashlight here, guys. Overall, pretty good lume, guys, as you would expect from Seiko. Not bad for the price point. Definitely plenty of lume on there. Anyways, guys, I will see you in the next one.